provides them a context and a framework to work within that really focuses on, we got to focus on the positives for this individual, on their, what we call their currencies, the good things that are going on and not on the bad things, and focus on, you know, what little things we can help to move people forward, recognizing it's just one little step at a time, but also celebrating those successes as they go along as well. Motivational interviewing has played a huge role in the work and the toolbox, I guess, that our staff use in working with clients.